Good morning, Rama. So today we see about the topic is DT based topic. Okay. First, what is DT?
Sir, DT means nothing but a problem solving technique, sir.
Problem solving.
It has 5 stages, sir. First stage is empathize. In the empathy stage, we need to collect the problems in the environment, sir. After that, define stage. In empathy, we collect several types of problems, sir. Define stage, we select particularly one problem. That is the second stage, sir. Third stage is ideate, sir. In the ideate stage, we will build ideas for that particular problem, sir. And the third one is prototyping stage. In prototyping stage, we make a small prototyping for our empathy, sir. Last stage is testing stage. In the testing stage, we can test the prototypes.
Prototypes. Okay. So this is majorly 5 types of or 5 stages of DT. So my main empathy is the gear failure.
Okay, sir.
First, what is gear and tell me the types of the gear.
Okay, sir. Sir, gear is a mechanical element which is used for power transmitting, sir. The gear is classified into 4 types, sir. One is spur gear, helical gear, bevel gear and worm gear, sir. In spur gear, the teeth angle is 6 degrees. In helical gear, the gear is like angled gear, sir.
Teeth shape.
Teeth shape is like angle, sir. The spur gear and helical gear are mostly used in mechanical components like lathe machines, drilling machines, that type of things. Bevel gear and worm gear are mostly used in automobile industries, sir. They are particularly used to transmit power in 90-degree angles, sir.
90-degree angles. Like as a differential unit.
Differential units, lorry, differential units.
So my main empathy is the gear failure. Tell me about the reason for gear failure.
So gear failure is one of the mainly loads and corrosions and teeth ratios.
Teeth ratios.
Yes, sir. The teeth ratios play a major role.
So one is the load. That is a heavy load. Second one is.
Second one is teeth ratios. And corrosions
Okay.
and the speed.
How to avoid corrosion?
So for avoiding the corrosion, we have to use a material which can resist the corrosion. So we can easily avoid it.
There is a good selection of materials.
Also, we can avoid it by coating some of the
coating, some laser coatings. Okay.
Actually, there are more gear failures like wear and
Like wear and tears. How to avoid the wear and tear?
So
What
we
is
have
the best selection of the material is the point.
we have to use a good lubrication system.
Lubrication system.
The lubrication system is mainly important. So we can easily reduce the heat of the gear and we can easily produce more power.
It's a good point. That is the heat of the surface. So easily to avoid the corrosion. Second one is the load. Load is the very important one. How to avoid the overload? How to find the maximum capacity?
So we have to run the gear to its maximum limits by giving the maximum load, so that we can easily calculate the power of load. How many
load we can
or times we can stand.
The load unit is
So
Newton. Next one, another point.
So
nomenclature, sir.
Okay.
In designing of a gear, nomenclature plays a major role, sir. As he said, if the teeth ratio is not perfect, the gear will collapse.
So may it affect the gears.
and there is teeth brakes.
Teeth
Brakes.
Sometimes we are driving over speed or overload, the teeth may break sometimes. So it will cause the vehicle to break down or machine to break down. So we have to use a strong material that can withstand the heavy load.
Improve the
So the gear
materials.
So the major point is the selection of the material. Material is very important because it is directly related to the strength and hardness. Okay. In our designs also the main concept is strength and hardness is very important. Strength is the stress, Newton per meter square, and also hardness is the measured by the rockal hardness machines or vertical hardness machines. Okay, like bigger hardness machines. Okay. Can anyone consolidate this point?
So let me calculate it. So first we see about the DT activities.
Okay.
And
The DDC simply problem solving techniques.
And for a problem statement we have taken the gear failures. So he explained about the gear failures. and how can we prevent it from that.
Okay, good color. Thank you for
Thank you,
this.
sir.